Okay, I'm logging into my WordPress website, so I'll just go to my website name, then slash WP admin and the rest, right? We already understand this one. So this is it. I've logged in. I want to log in. I'll just click on login now. So let's say I'm creating a page. So how do I create a page? After you have installed your Elementor and you have done with other things. So you just go to this place, you see page. On that page, you click on add new. So after you click on add new page, so once you click on add new page, okay, so we have to give this page a name. So let's say we want to create a contact us page, right? Let's see how to create the contact us page. Now in a contact us page, what are the things that's supposed to be in a contact us page? One of them is a form. What do I mean by a form? Where the person will put his name, okay, his email address, the reason why he's contacting you. Okay, I'm contacting you because of this reason, right? Then the person will also see your detail like
You are creating what?
let's say we want to create a contact us page, right? Can you hear me, ma?
Contact,
If you are creating a contact page, why did they call the page contact? It's because you want the person to be able to contact you, have a means where the person can reach out to you, right? So let's call this page contact us, right? Contact. So I'm writing contact us. The reason why we are calling this page contact us is because we want the person to be able to fill out a form. Okay, I want to contact Mr. George because my name is so person. This is the reason why I'm contacting you, with the email address, so that I can also reach back to the person, right? Yeah, that's the reason why we are creating the page. Then we also have a section where the person can call us through phone number or send us WhatsApp message and the rest. So what we need to do is, once you have written the name of the page, contact us, you need to click on publish at the top, because you want the page to be live, or you want to save the page. So click on publish. Then once you click on publish, now the next thing is you need a plugin. You need a plugin for you to create the contact us page. You need a what? A plugin. So what we need to do now is to install a plugin which is known as WP form. WP form. The reason why they call it WP form, WP means WordPress. Form means a form where person can put out his name, fill out his information, and send it to you. So how do we need to do that? Now, if you look at this top here, you see this W. You need to click on this W. So once you click on the W, it will take you back to your dashboard area. Now once it take you back to the dashboard area, what you need to do, you need to go to plugins. Click on plugins. Once you click on plugins, you now click on add new plugin. So you have gone back to the dashboard, you go to plugins, then you click on add new plugin. Once you click on add new plugin, add this WP form, right? That's what I say I want to search for. So once you click on WP form, the first one you see here, this is it. WP form, this one. Contact form by WP. So you just click on it, install. Once you click
Okay,
on
you type the what did you type? What did you type there?
WP form,
Okay.
at the top, if you see it here, WP form. Then once you type it, it will come out. The first one you see that have like a teddy bear face on it. I don't know if you are seeing it. This
Yes.
one, my mouse is rolling on.
Yes.
Then you click on
I'm
install.
watching it.
Then you click on activate. Now once you install it, you activate for it to go, for you to be able to use it. Then once you have installed that WP form, then you go back to your pages and click on all pages. You see pages, right? Once you go to pages, you remember we created this contact us page. We have not done
Yes.
anything inside the page. So what we need to do is to click on this contact us to edit it. So you see under the contact us, you are seeing what? Edit. So you click on edit. So once you click on edit, it will open a page where you can now edit it with Elementor. Remember, it is Elementor we use in building the website, right?
Yes.
So we want to now click on edit, then we now select the option of editing the page with what? Elementor. Okay,
So,
now you click on this edit with Elementor at the top. You are seeing
element.
it, right? So click on edit with Elementor. So once you click on edit with Elementor, it will open for you a page like this where you can now start dragging and dropping. Elementor gives you the ability for you to
I
drag.
want to know this dragon. That place. I'm still finding it difficult.
Which place is that, man?
This way you drag and paste
And don't worry,
and start type.
I will explain. Once it opens, I will show you what you do. Hope you understand, man. So first of all, you have
Yes,
to edit.
please.
You have to be in your editor's mode for you to now be able to do that. So looking at this now, you see you have a place where you can now drag. You see they say drag widget here. Now all these are the widgets. All this area you are seeing here on your left hand side that I'm scrolling on are all known as the widget area. So what you need to do now, you can drag this place, you see container. Now anything we are doing, anything we are creating it inside a container so that it will be housed inside the area. So the container is like the area where the whole thing we will be working on will be stored inside. I hope you understand, man.
Yes.
So you can drag this and drop it here. See, from your left hand side, you see I've hold it, I put my mouse on it, I'm dragging it. I don't know if you've seen it.
Yes.
Okay, you can drag, then you drop it. Or another way you can do it, instead of dragging and dropping like this, you can come here and click on this plus icon. You are seeing this plus icon in the middle. Once you click on the plus icon, you see you can now add what you want to add. The same container, all these things are also container you are seeing here. This first one, this second one, this third one, all of them are container. Hope I'm not confusing you, man.
No, it's okay.
Let me close it again so that I'll go over it. I said you can either drag from this left hand side here and drop here, or you can just click on this plus icon here. Once you click on this plus icon, you select what you want to select. Hope I'm not confusing you, man.
No
Okay, now
problem.
click on this two. Let's say we want to use a two section which is divided into two equal parts. If you notice, this is divided into two. I don't know if you're noticing as I put my mouse. There's one side
Yes,
left and
yes,
there's another side right. So once you click on it, if you notice, it has come. It has the left hand side
yes.
and the right hand side. Now let's say on the left hand side we
Yes.
want to create this side we want to create a form. Now on this right hand side we want to create a place where the person will see our branch office. We are in Hussein zone 2. This is our phone number, this is our email address. If you want to visit us, this is how to visit us. You understand? Because we want the person to be able to
Yeah.
contact us either in the form, using the form, or even coming to our place physical. That is our physical location. So we can do that. We can also add Google Map where the person can okay, I'm coming to see Mr. George. He says it's in Hussein zone 2. Okay, you can use the Google Map from our website and get direction to visiting our office in real time. So let's look at how to do all those things. So once you have added your container, you have divided your container into two sections, which is the left hand side, the right hand side. So let's start with the right hand side. So you click on this plus icon here. You are seeing this plus icon in the middle of this, right? This one.
Okay.
This one, not this down one, no. This one here.
Yeah.
And you know there's another plus icon here. Now you can either click on
Yes.
this plus icon here, or you click on this 9 dot at the top. This 9 dot, you are seeing this dot at the top. You can either click on this dot at the top or click on this one here. So let's click at this top dot. Once you click on this dot at the top, then what you need to do, you need to search for WP form. What do I call it?
WP form.
Yes. Or you can just even search for form instead. Form. You see, as I search for form, what do you see here? You see WP form, right?
Okay.
Then you drag it. You see, I told you everything we are doing here is drag, drop, drag, drop. So I want to drag this one here now from here, and I'll drop it here. So I'll hold it, drag it. You see, I'm putting it in the middle of this right left hand bar, right? This area. I'll drop it there. So once I drop it, it will be telling me that I should create a form. I should select a form, but I don't have any form. So what I will do is I will click on this place. You see, new form. You are seeing this place, select a form. I don't know if you are seeing it. So let's say we want to select a form. We can just say select a simple contact form. Now once you click on that, you see the form has come. Is it hard?
Yeah.
Let me close it so that you see it at the full. You see, this is our form now. The person can put his name, his email address, his phone number. The reason why he's sending us the message, he cannot enter. Okay, I'm sending us this message because of this purpose, that purpose, and this purpose. Is it hard for us to create? No, it's not that hard, right?
Yeah.
So you click back on this small black this thing. Now we are in the edit mode. So the person can put his name, email address, his phone number, comment, and click on submit. And the person will submit the message. Now we are done with the form. Is that hard? Is it hard?
It's not.
It's not hard, right? Then we come to this left hand side. Now this right hand side. This is left, this is right. So we come to this right hand side. Now what do we want to do in this right hand side? On this right hand side, I want to put a physical address location where the person can, okay, Mr. George is in Usted zone 2. Okay, how all these things here, his phone number and the rest, right? So what I want to do here is this, very simple. So you see, I'll click on this plus icon. I hope you are seeing this plus icon in the middle.
Yes.
Click on it. So once you click on the plus icon, what you need to do, you need to search, or you can drag and drop instead of searching. You can scroll down and look for what you are looking for. So what I want to put here, I want to put heading. Heading means I want to write something that will be very bold. Anytime you're hearing heading, it's like a title. So let's drag this heading here and drop it here. You see, I've dropped it. You see, you say add your heading. So I'll come to this left hand side where you see editing. This left hand side you see title. Then I can now say you can pay us a visit. I hope you are seeing it, right? You can pay us a visit, right? So if you notice, this font is too big. I don't know if you are noticing it is too big. So what I want to do is I want to come to this place. You see HTML tag. I hope you are seeing HTML tag.
Yes. Okay.
Click on this HTML tag here. Then change it to maybe H4 so that it will be small. You see it is small now, right? You can pay us a visit tag. You are seeing it under this heading. Okay, let me go over it again. Let me go over it for the sake of since you are the only one here. So let me delete this thing I've just added. Let's start from blank, right? Delete the heading. So I've deleted the heading, right? This is the plus icon I say you should click on, right?
Yeah.
Once you click on this plus icon, I say look for what? Heading, right? If you look at it, it's on your left hand side. I say drag it. See, I'm dragging it. I'm pasting it inside this empty space. See this heading, I drag it here. I'm pasting it here, right? Then I now said you can now type what you want to type. Maybe like this, you can pay us a visit, right?
Yeah.
But if you notice, it is too big. So I said you can change it to make it too small. How do you do that? Go to this place, you see HTML tag. Click on it. Then click on this place, you see H4. It will now become small.
Okay.
Now you can now add by clicking on this. You see this 9 dot at the top. Why am I clicking on this 9 dot? Am I seeing that plus again? No. So I'm not seeing that plus. Since I'm not seeing that plus, so what I will do now is to click on this 9 dots. Now once I click on that 9 dots, what I will now need to do is I will look for what they call list. What do I call it? Icon list. So you see this list.
List. Okay.
Yes. You see this one you're seeing that have icon list. This one, the first one. This one here. You need to drag it. You see I'm dragging it. I'm seeing it, right?
Yeah, I'm seeing it.
You drag it and drop it underneath this one. You see the pink line is showing under this area that you say you can pay us a visit. You see a pink line. I don't know if you notice. You are seeing one small pink line, right?
Yes.
I'll drop it under. So once I drop it under, the reason why I'm dropping this under this is because I want to use it as a link where somebody will see our name, our location, our address and the rest. Then the person can use it to visit us. So what I need to do, for me to edit this thing, you see it says list item 1, right? I hope you are seeing it here, list item 1.
Yes.
Now for you to edit it, you need to go to your left hand side that say edit list icon. This icon list, you have seen edit it at the top, right? Okay, so I drag this icon list first and drop it here. I say I want to edit this thing. I don't want it to write list item 1. So how do I edit it? I said you go to your left hand side that have this place, you see edit icon list. I hope you are seeing it at the top.
Yes.
Then I said under it you come to this place, you see content. Under content you see icon list. Then you click on this place, you see icon list item 1. List item 1. Once you click on it, it will drop down. Am I too fast?
Go ahead.
So once you click on list item 1, then you have to change the name. So let's say I want to say head office. Let me just say head office. Head office. You see, I've changed this. Instead of item 1, you see on your right hand side, it has changed. Why? How did I change it? From my left hand side. So now this icon, you are seeing this is an icon. I can change this icon to look like the icon of a map. You know there's this icon they use for map, right?
Yes.
So you once you put your mouse on this area, Once you put your mouse on this area, you see this place, you see icon library. Once you
Yeah.
put your mouse on it, if you click on it now, it will take you to where they call icon library. So under this icon library, you have a question?
Mm-hmm. No, go on.
You now search for map. You say I write map, right? You see this is what they mostly use for map now, this kind of pin icon. I don't know if you have seen it.
Yeah.
So you click on it,
Yes.
select it. Once you select it, you see I've selected it. It's showing a white line over it. Should you have seen a white line over it? It's because I've selected it. Then you click on this place, you see insert. So once you click on insert, take a note. You see the icon has changed now. Instead of that good, it has changed to this map icon, head office. I don't know if you've seen it. Then, I hope you are seeing it, right?
Yes.
Then I can now say, who say zone 4, Abuja, Nigeria, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I've added our head office. Our head office is where, who says zone 4, Abuja, Nigeria, right? So I'm done with the first one. So how do I close it? You see this area you are seeing, the top, this area. Click on it, it will close. Then you go to the next item. Let's say I want to add our phone number.
Wait,
So
why do you say you click to close?
this same area you click to open. You see I click here to open, right? I click it to close. Open, close.
Okay. Open at the same
Open
place.
there,
Okay.
close the same place, right?
Okay.
So I want to go to the
Now you
next
go to.
area, which
Okay.
I want to put our phone number or our email, any of them you want to put. You can put any of them first. So let's say I want to put phone number first. So I'll click on this area, you see list item 2. I'll open it. So you see this place, when I open it, you see there's a place that says text, which have list item 2. I don't know if you have seen it. This area,
Yes.
test. So this is the place I want to write. So let's say I want to write phone number, right? So I'll say phone number. Then I can now put the phone number 080 or 081, anything that is the phone number 10454293, or any number that is the number. So you see, as I've done this, you will notice the phone number have also been updated at the left hand side, right hand side here, this area, right?
Yeah.
But if you notice, there is showing me a star, like a star icon. I don't like this icon that is showing here, this star. So what I want to do, I want to change it to phone. So I will click on this star. You are seeing this place that show icon. The first one is text. Under the text, you see icon. You click on this icon. Once you click on icon, you search for what? Phone. What did I say I will search for?
Okay.
Phone.
Okay.
So you see this thing shows like phone, right? This is what most people use for maybe phone call. So you click on it, then click on what? Select it first, then you click on insert. If you notice, it has changed to phone. I don't know if you have seen it. So it has changed to phone. So we have phone. We have this other one too, the place that have the phone number. So the next thing I want to do, I want to close it back. How do I close it? Clicking on it. You see, open, close, open, close, right?
Yeah.
So I'm done with this one. So I want to go to the next one, which is item 3. So I'll click on it to open. Then I'll come to this place that have text. I'll edit this text by writing email. You see, email. Then I'll now write the George. This is my email. digitals@gmail.com, right?
Yeah.
Now if you notice, this thing is showing like a cycle. I don't know if you are seeing it here, white circular something like a disc.
Yes.
So I want to change it. How do I change it?
You now
click on this
you
icon.
click on it.
Once I click on it, then I'll search for what? Email. You see, email or mail. Let me just write mail. You see, you can look at all this icon, or let me see message if I will see. No, mail. How am I not seeing that icon I'm looking for? No. There's an icon I'm looking for that look like email, like envelope. Thank you.
Envelope.
Yes.
Yes.
You are seeing it by envelope. This is it. So all this
Yeah.
look, I don't know which one should I pick. I should go with the first one, right?
Go to the envelope now.
This one,
Abi?
this one.
Yes, the
So
first one.
so I'll click on insert. If you notice, it has changed to like email address. So you see, we have been able to put our head office who says zone 4 with the like a logo. Then you see phone number, we have done that, and the rest, right?
Yeah.
Now the next thing I want to do is I want to add a map where somebody can click. If you notice, this is the website. There is still a little space. I don't know if you notice under this place. There's still a
Yes,
little
yes.
space. So I want the space to be
Yeah.
covered with the map so that it will look like no space is there. Everything is settled. So what do I need to do? You see this 9 dots? I'll click on the 9 dots back again.
Okay.
So once I click on the 9 dots again, what I will need to do is I will search for what? Map. What did I say I will search for?
Map.
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 Then you see this place, you see Google Map.
Mm-hmm.
Drag it, you see, and drop. You see I've dropped it here. So you see it has come with a map, right? So, so now I want to put a location. So in your left hand side where you see edit Google Map, you are seeing it at the top, right?
Yes.
Now you want to search for a location. Let's say I want to search for zone 4. So I'll say zone 4. Or instead I'll say who says zone 4, right? Not just zone 4. Who say zone 4? See, I'm writing it in that place. You see location. I don't know if you are not seeing it, right?
Yes.
So as soon as I write who says zone 4, what do you notice? It has shown us Abuja.
This thing is too tiny, so I don't even. Okay, let me increase it. Okay.
Should I zoom in a
But if I
little?
increase it, yes,
Let me
it's in
zoom.
Abuja.
Okay, let me zoom now. Can you see it? Can you see Abuja here?
Yeah. Yes.
You are seeing Abuja, right? And if you look at it, you see zone 4, who say Federal Capital Territory. I don't know if you notice it.
Yes.
So let's
Yes.
say this is our address. Somebody can also see this and use it and visit our website. They visit our office as a website.
Office.
Somebody can use it to visit our office. So you can zoom in or zoom out. See, you can zoom out, you can zoom in from this place. I hope you are seeing it, right?
Yes.
Now let's say I want to the height. Also under the edit map, you see I'm still under edit Google Map. Then I can go and reduce
Okay.
the height. See, this is the height. I can reduce it. See, you see I'm controlling it. From this place you see height.
Okay.
Then if you close it now, you see how everything is looking. So this is how everything is looking. So this is our contact us page. We are done with the contact us page. So our contact us page has a place where somebody can put his name, his email address, his phone number, send us a message. It also have, you can visit us. This is our physical office location, right? This is our phone number. This is our email address. This is our Google Map. So we are done with the contact us page. Is it hard?
This is just need practicing.
It's just practicing. Seriously, if you can practice, you are good to go. So in less than how many minutes we are done with a whole. So we are done with one page. No. We are done with the contact us page. So that's why I say WordPress is very easier than you coding. If it is coding now, you could have not finished this thing because you need to start looking at how to create this form, create that one, write this code for this, write that code for that. You understand? So once you are done, let me go back. You click on this. I hope you are seeing one small this thing here, arrow.
Arrow there. Arrow, okay.
One small arrow here. So I want to click on it. So it will open. Once it opens, now you click. You need to update. Update means you are saving the work you have done. Because if you don't click on
Okay, if
update,
you click on that if you click on that small arrow,
yes. The reason why
it will
there's this
open
small,
up.
let me explain. The reason why there's this small arrow here is because you are using it to see the full website page. This is how the page is. Hope you understand,
Okay.
ma. So if you click on back on this small arrow, you go back to the editing where you are editing what you are editing before. You notice it is still showing us our edit. But if I want to hide this area, you see this black area. Hope you are seeing this black area that my mouse is going over. This area.
Yeah.
So for you to hide it so that you can
That's
see the whole way the website is looking like, you have to click on this place, this small arrow here, to close it so that you can see the whole. This is how our website is on a full screen. You know, this arrow is pushing some things away. I don't know. Anytime you see me open it, you see everything is looking as if everything is going to the left hand side. I don't know if you notice. Everything. See. You are seeing it, right? See the full area, but see it has cut out some area. So if you want to see the whole full screen, you have to click on this small arrow here. I don't know if you are seeing it, one small arrow. Once you click on it, it will merge, then you can see your whole screen. So once you are done with everything, you are done with everything you want. You just have to click on what? Update.
Update.
So update means you have saved it, and that is all you have done with this page.
No question.
Okay now, so take care of yourself. Bye.
I will. God bless you. Thank you so much.